If you are getting error on your WhatsApp saying fingerprint not recognized or fingerprint sensor is not working, you can unlock WhatsApp without using fingerprint after watching this video. First we will open WhatsApp and you can see WhatsApp is locked with fingerprint. You can see we are getting error saying fingerprint not recognized. Now go to phone settings. Go to security. This menu may be at different location depending on your mobile phone. Tap on fingerprint. Enter phone's unlock password. Now delete all fingerprint data that you have rolled before. Tap on fingerprint name and tap on delete to confirm. After deleting, now let's try to open WhatsApp again. You can see now we have opened WhatsApp without fingerprint. You can check in privacy settings, fingerprint has been disabled automatically. That's all. Subscribe the channel, like and share this video.